In the world of real estate investing, especially for those starting with smaller apartment buildings, it's not just about bricks and mortar, it's about people. Who you know can be just as important as what you know. Strong connections open doors to opportunities you might otherwise miss. Networking is about building relationships, not just collecting business cards. It is about finding people who understand your goals and can help you reach them. Referrals from trusted sources can be invaluable. When someone vouches for you, it builds instant credibility. Think of it like a support system. Experienced investors have been where you are now. They can offer advice, share lessons learned, and even become partners in future deals. Networking isn't just about finding investors, though. It's about building a team of experts you can rely on. This might include real estate agents, contractors, lawyers, and property managers. Before you start attending every real estate conference in sight, remember that your network already exists. Start by reaching out to your personal and professional contacts. Let them know you're venturing into small apartment investing. Don't be afraid to share your goals. You might be surprised by who knows someone who knows someone. Past investors can be a goldmine of referrals. If they had a positive experience working with you, they're more likely to recommend you to others. Keep your contacts updated on your progress. Share your successes and challenges. This keeps you top of mind for potential opportunities. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Be willing to offer your expertise and connections to others. While your existing network is a great starting point, don't be afraid to branch out. Industry events are a fantastic way to meet like-minded individuals and potential investors. Conferences, seminars, and workshops offer opportunities to learn from experts and connect with other investors. Joining local real estate investment groups provides a more informal setting to network and exchange ideas. When you're at these events, focus on building genuine relationships. Don't just talk about yourself and your deals. Listen to others, ask questions, and show genuine interest. As you build your network, focus on connecting with key professionals who can contribute to your success. Real estate agents can provide valuable market insights and help you find promising deals. Attorneys specializing in real estate can guide you through the legal complexities of transactions. Financial advisors can help you secure funding and manage your investments wisely. Building strong relationships with these professionals gives you access to their expertise and their networks. For instance, attending the National Multifamily Housing Council annual meeting could be a game changer. You'll connect with industry leaders, potential investors, and service providers all in one place. Networking is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. By consistently nurturing your connections and providing value to others, you'll unlock opportunities and achieve your investment goals.